Welcome to another SnowRunner mission video. This one's a fairly simple, straightforward one. Repairing probably the last bridge in this map, which is a harbour. Just a quick check of the map previously. So we haven't got far to go for the first load, which will be 3 pallets of fuel drums. Here we are under a bridge that we previously repaired where that pontoon was. Just heading up from under the bridge to the top tarmac area. Tarmac will be quite brief. I'll turn right here and head off to the towards the fuel refinery. This detour is quite tricky and not the best of terrain, but seems the best way through to get to where we want to go. Just starting to see the refinery up ahead there. A weird tree ejecting itself for an unknown reason. So here we are entering the oil refinery. Let's head on over to the loading dock and pick up 3 pallets of fuel. They sure do slap those pallets down on the trailer. So just heading back to under that bridge again. Excuse me. But decided to take this different track. I haven't used this path before, so thought a good opportunity just to see what it's like. All in all, I think it's a better way to go than the other way across all that undulated snow. It does work out well because of the path that I have to travel, which is back under that bridge and across the pontoons. Just coming up to the work site here. us going slow as we traverse this pontoon bridge. Trusty Paystar sitting there, ready for work. Now it's across some ice. This path is not too bad. Having travelled a number of times, I think I've worked out the correct path through the pack ice that will stay firm under the tyres. Problem chunk of ice there. Luckily didn't do any damage to the truck. Just taking it easy across that cutout gorge. Back across the ice again. Just using low range high. Diff locks in for the snow here. Bit of a pan around for an obligatory selfie. Just coming up to the bridge worksite here. We'll just cut across the ice there. Just going slow, looking for the drop-off site. Pretty much straight ahead of us there on the other side. Just steadily across the ice here, then a sharp left onto the work site. Another pause for another selfie thumbnail. Just forward into the unloading zone. We'll drop these pallets off. Now we're just going to head up above the bridge to the right there where the next warehouse is, so we can pick up 2 loads of steel beams, which will be the final load to finish this bridge. through a bit of ice sludge here. Next warehouse up ahead of us there. The road that goes off to the right there, that tarmac, actually connects to the bridge we're currently repairing. So that'll make access to this facility a lot easier for future tasks. Slamming down a couple of pallets of steel beams and we'll head off. Just a short trip in this one back to the construction site. Pushing through that snow and low range, coming up to that ice slush ahead of us. Put the diff locks in, go into the in-cab view so we can use the winch. Also just check up on Kevin there, nodding away on the dash. Kev seems to be agreeing with proceedings. He does like the off-road. Just about back at the construction site now. So we can pull into the unloading zone and get rid of these steel beams and the bridge will be complete. Another mission done and bridge repaired. And there we have it. Highway built. And that's pretty much it for another video. Thanks again for joining me and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.